Hi, I'm Alana from Kane Yoga. Thank you for tuning into my channel. So today's video is a few poses you can do from a seat to open up your shoulders and your chest. So we're going to start this in a nice easy seated pose, and we're going to open those arms up. So you can find a little back bend here if you want to open those shoulders to start. We're going to cross at the elbows, right arm underneath the left. Try to reach for the palms here. If not, you can just reach the shoulders. This is step number one. So these are eagle arms. So you can be lifting the elbows up towards the shoulders. And we're going to breathe here. Letting those shoulder blades come apart. And you can work into longer holds here if you would like, but we'll just hold it for a couple breaths. And then begin to unwind, open the arms once again. And this time the left arm is going to come under the right elbow. Try to reach for the palms. Elbows come up towards about shoulder height. You can come down to level one if you need to. Breathe here. And exhale, release, shake out those shoulders if you need to. And the second pose we're going to do is from hero's pose. So that is just coming up onto the knees, sitting back on the heels. If this is too challenging for you, you might want to put a block here, maybe a blanket under the knees to help support them. I'm going to give you two variations here. So the first one is just clasping those hands behind you, reaching them towards the ground, letting the back bend a bit, letting the head drop back and opening up the shoulders. If you want to go a little deeper, you can let the hands come to the mat. And this is almost like a modified camel. Just let yourself come back onto the wrist, let your head drop back, and breathe. And hold that for as long as what feels good to you. Probably not very long, just a couple breaths, and come back up. Maybe do some movement to shake it out a little bit if you need to. And the next move, you can either stay in hero's pose or you can do it from a comfortable seat, whatever feels best to you. You might want to have a strap handy here as well. From this seat, we're going to inhale that right arm up. We're going to bend at the elbow, and it's going to be coming down the back. And we're going to take that left arm and try to reach for the fingertips here. So this one's pretty challenging for people that have really tight shoulders. That's where the strap comes in handy. So you can have a strap or a towel. It doesn't have to be a strap, it can be whatever works for you. Just making sure those elbows aren't winging out here. We're keeping them nice and tight. Again, a couple of deep breaths here. Always listening to your body when it comes to shoulder movements. It's a 360-degree joint, so it has a lot of range of motion. All right, so let's switch sides. Shake out those arms if you need to. Inhale the left arm up, bend at the elbow. Right arm comes to try to meet the fingertips. If they can't meet, grab that strap and just pull in opposite directions. Nice stretch here. Couple breaths. And release those. So these are really great stretches to do wherever you might be. You can get most of these in whenever you don't have a lot of time or space. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you thought in the comments below, and be sure to hit subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you. Namaste.